Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. It's about.
Hello guys, if you're new here, my name is Lulu. If you are returning, welcome back and welcome to my channel basically. So I even forgot how to do my own intro. I even forgot how to do the intro by Dirabiang. I've been gone from YouTube for the longest time, and on this channel I do beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes I'll do vlogs. If you're new here, this channel is very inconsistent, yeah, but re tlo change bona re fihlile, and I'm going to change that, guys. So I'm hoping to upload videos every week. I unfortunately am doing this again. I'm doing this intro the second time, and this vlog, I hope it's gonna make sense because some of the videos I accidentally deleted while I was trying to export this vlog from the app that I use to edit. So I hope that this vlog makes sense, guys. And I was kind of getting discouraged to upload it to YouTube because of the videos that I lost, but I was like, you know what, let me redo this intro and just upload what's there, because I took the time out to do this vlog and I really genuinely enjoyed making this vlog. So I was like, you know what, the devil is not gonna win. I'm going to upload this video anyways. Please guys, give my video some love. Let me not ramble and let you guys get into this vlog. I hope that it makes sense. Please don't come for me if some of the clips don't make sense, but don't mind the noise. It is the stupid car. I kind of sort of have a few things that I need to do this week, and I've got work as well, so I just thought, let me just vlog. If you guys don't know, I am an ambassador for a company or a shop called Ambassadors for You, and right now I am going out with my niece to go shoot some content for them. I am going to pick up the clothes, and then we'll decide where we're gonna shoot the content. I need to buy a tripod. I really need to get a lot of things for this channel. I decided I get it best, hence I am not being serious with my YouTube channel. I get it and I get it the best, and that's it.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. It's about time for making it. Found you as a now you feel seductive, you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just another without you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it like it's on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it like it's on earth.
Don't say I did not plug you guys. Look at this beautiful dress. The plan was to shoot outside, but because of the weather, because it's raining, we decided to shoot indoors. It is not good manners to chew gum in front of people, because I know that it can be annoying to some. So I took the gum out, guys. Let us begin. I decided to do a haul so I can show you guys some of the outfits from the store. The first one is this dress, this beautiful flowy dress. I decided to pair it with this Gucci dupe belt, also from the store. This beautiful bag is also from Ambassadors for You. The second outfit is this dress with the ruffles here on top. If you don't have like an outfit to go to a funeral, this is what you can wear. It's a classic black dress, formal black dress that you can wear to things like funerals and serious occasions. This dress is quite long for me, but I love the color. I love how it holds my breasts even though I'm not wearing a bra. The back is sexy. I love the color. Everything about this dress is good. Love. This dress I fell in love with. I love the soft yellow. I love the arms. They're quite vintage looking. I love everything about this dress. Quite a nice classy dress. Next one is this floral print dress. I love the colors, love the print, but this one is kind of not my style. I don't know where I would wear it to, but it's quite a cute dress. I feel like I could have gotten away with a size smaller in this two-piece, but I love how the green and the white complement each other. It's a cute, classy two-piece. Next one is this pink suit. I love the blazer, the one-arm blazer. I am for the pants, not so much. Can we talk about the bag? The bag is definitely giving, guys. Decided to come to Mavericks Coffee to get some coffee because of the weather is not weathering today. So I took out my painting. I hope you guys can hear me, but I didn't think my hair was long enough for me. Yes, already because the hair is short, but otherwise I think I nailed the look that I was going for. I don't have anything to dash with, so I'm having Jameson with Stony and Munster. So the ghetto. Today was a great day. It is almost 11 now and my makeup is separating, as you guys I'm sure can probably see. I'm about to prepare myself to go to bed. So I'm going to do my nails and do my hair. So tomorrow will be like a maintenance day. I'm gonna do my nails and my hair, and that's about it. I am so bummed that these two clients cancelled because I'll see you guys tomorrow as we continue the vlog. Morning, guys. My cousin asked me to do her makeup, and she called me late last night and asked me to do her makeup. She told me to come here at 6. I've been outside for more than 20 minutes now, and I'm calling her. She doesn't pick up. Really, I was up till late last night, so I barely got enough sleep. Now I have to wake up early when I didn't have to. I'm gonna go do my hair, and I'm gonna go do my nails. So today is a maintenance day. And Jameson, so I'm a bit hung over. I need something that's going to wake me up. Bonang. Get happy, guys. Get happy. The guy who did my nails understood the assignment. He hit the nail on the head. I am satisfied. These nails were 180, guys. They are 180. I don't come here often, but when I do, I go to Victor. He definitely knows what he's doing. If you come through to my nail bar, ask for Victor and tell him I sent you, okay? So when I do makeup, I have to carry the case, right? I carry the ring lights and the tripod and the chair on top of that. When I freelance and do house calls, someone will want to negotiate my rate. Like, how? Just finished setting up. Look at this. I don't even know how I'm going to. This lid here keeps falling off. Drama again. Basically, this is my setup. It's the ring lights and the makeup chair, and over here is where I put my palettes and eyelashes, my brushes, toners, everything else I put in there. My foundations, everything I put in there. Those are my brushes. If you guys want me to show you properly like a what's in my kit video, please let me know. I will do that. I want to make a video and then get a lot of people are not even interested. So yeah, that's that. Oh, this is what I'm wearing. I like being comfortable when I work. Can you believe that this was a boyfriend jean? It doesn't really fit me properly anymore. This is the apron that I use. This is what I take with me and put all my little stuff when I go on set. How many? Hello. Nope. I lost count of how many faces I did. We were shooting this show called Aftermath. It was basically just an interview. They were just asking the actors and the producers and about the show. The show is about to start. It starts at 3. The show is about to start. It's about I think it's about a lady who, the show is quite heavy. It's about gender-based violence, rape. The lady got raped when she was young, turned to prostitution when she got older. So it's a quite heavy show, and I don't deal well with shows like this, because I'm gonna end up feeling down and sad after the show. I don't know if I should watch this show or watch another show, or just go home basically, because we're done shooting. So I get my guy, and what am I gonna do? I guess I could edit the vlog, this vlog. And I wanted to go to church today. You know, the plan is to go to church more this year, but doesn't look like that's gonna happen. That was an emotional show. That was crazy. Sunday, guys. Just got home. I'm so tired. It is now 5 o'clock. I left around past 4, and bona ke lapile. I am tired. The first thing when I sit my ass down is eat. I'm going to eat. I'm not going to do anything for the rest of the day, so I feel I should just end this vlog right here and now. Guys, please don't forget to like the video, engaging, so that the video can reach a wider audience. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.